In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix 404 error on Amazon Alexa website. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are encountering this error, most likely it's because Amazon Alexa servers have encountered an error and you need to make some few changes to see if this fixes the problem. In most cases, this should go away within some few minutes because most likely it is emanating from Amazon Alexa servers. But meanwhile, if you are on Amazon Alexa web page, as you can see here, you can try and see if you are able to access Amazon Alexa via Alexa app. For that, you need to download and install the app. But should you still encounter the same problem while using the app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this issue on your app. To do this, first we want to troubleshoot the app. For that, you need to go to settings, and from settings look for apps. Then under apps, go to manage apps, and here look for Amazon Alexa and tap on it to open it. From here, first go to force stop the app to stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and okay. And then go to clear all data and okay. Once you're done, restart your smartphone and then go open your Amazon Alexa app and everything now should be fine. However, should this not fix your problem, then you want to check if you are using any VPN on your phone. Turn it off, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. You might also want to check and see if we have any latest version of Amazon app and update your app to the latest version. However, even after doing this, if this error does not go away, then most likely the problem is with Amazon servers. You need to check back after some few minutes and now everything should be okay. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.